making your debut in parliamentary elections. How does it feel?
Madam, it feels great because we are representing our Karyakartas as a candidate, and I'm just a face of all the Karyakartas here, and Coimbatore is very important to us, Tamil Nadu is important to us, and all of us are working hard because when Modi ji comes back to power for the third straight time with a larger mandate, and Tamil Nadu should have a big representation, and Coimbatore should have a representation because it's a growth-oriented city. For the last 10 years, the growth is lacking here. That is why very clear this time the people of Coimbatore will bless us, the people of Tamil Nadu will bless our party, and come June 4, BJP Tamil Nadu National Democratic Alliance will make history in Tamil Nadu.
Is Prime Minister Narendra Modi betting big on Coimbatore? And you've been meeting people. What do you think would be the vote share for the BJP this time around?
Madam, our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji is betting big on all the Indian people, all the 142 crore people, and especially the 8.5 crore Tamil people. That's why you see the Prime Minister's bond with our Tamil Nadu is very special. It is closer to his heart. And the mood on the ground is very clear in Coimbatore that BJP, this time we will score more than 60% votes on our own, the National Democratic Alliance. And you will see a record margin of victory here. And the mood is very clear. Wherever you go, the common man, they believe it is their election. They believe they got to represent Modi ji here. They believe they got to strengthen Modi ji's hand. When common people think like that, it is very clear that there will be a wave. It's a wave election. In Tamil Nadu, you will see across Tamil Nadu, NDA, and especially in Coimbatore, NDA, we will come back with a larger mandate, and Tamil Nadu will have a huge representation this time.
So what are the issues that you plan to highlight during your campaign? What do you think would determine the voting pattern in Tamil Nadu this time?
Madam, our leaders are already highlighting. With respect to Coimbatore, it is also a rural and urban mix. You have 2 constituencies which are completely rural and 4 which are urban and rural. So right up to the farmers issue, to the industrial issue, a lot of issues needs to be solved. So that a public representative is here which should represent the government here. And here the public representatives don't take much interest. Even the MP, the previous MP who chose not to contest this time, did not take much interest. So Coimbatore is waiting for somebody who can connect central government to the grassroots in this area. With respect to the whole of state, you have seen 33 months of DMK rule, heavy anti-incumbency, nobody wants it. Now the contest is very clear. People want Modi ji back, and people don't want the state government even to stay in power for even a single day. So across Tamil Nadu, there is anti-incumbency against the state government, and that is one factor. And pro-incumbency for Modi ji. And more clearly, the people of Tamil Nadu want to strengthen Modi ji's hand when Modi ji is going to come back with 400 plus.
Sir, DMK says your secret ally is the AIADMK. ADMK, Edapati says your secret ally is the DMK.
Now,
Who's your secret ally, sir?
I am saying both of them have gone hand in glove. They have joined together because they know that NDA is going to win big with a bigger mandate. So I am complaining for the last 2-3 months now. They have joined hands now. They are hands in glove. People of Tamil Nadu will give a fitting lesson on April 19, and June 4 the results will testify what we are speaking.
அண்ணாமலை என்னும் நான் மக்களவையில் உள்ள இடம் ஒன்றை நிரப்புவதற்கு வேட்பாளராக நியமிக்கப்பட்டுள்ளதால் சட்ட விதிகளுக்கு இணங்க நிறுவப்பட்டுள்ள இந்திய அரசியலமைப்பின்பால் உண்மையான நம்பிக்கையும் கட்டுப்பாடும் கொண்டிருப்பேன் என்றும் இந்திய நாட்டின் முழு முதல் ஆட்சிமையும் ஒருமைப்பாட்டையும் நிலைநிறுத்துவேன் என்றும் ஆண்டவன் மீது சூளுரைத்து உறுதி கொள்கிறேன்.
மக்கள் தலைவர் அண்ணாமலை ஐபிஎஸ் அவர்கள் இப்பொழுது ஆயிரக்கணக்கான தேசிய ஜனநாயக கூட்டணி கட்சி தொண்டர்களோடு வருங்கால பாரதத்தினுடைய ஒப்பற்ற தலைவர் வருகிறார். பாரத பிரதமர் மோடியுடன் சவால் வருகிறார். தாமரை நாயகனாக வந்து கொண்டிருக்கிறார். வேட்பாளராக அண்ணாமலை வந்து கொண்டிருக்கிறார். வெற்றி வேட்பாளர்களே, உலகின் வீரர் பாரதத்தாயை உருவாக்கி காட்டிய ஒப்பற்ற தலைவர் பாரத பிரதமர் நரேந்திர மோடி அவர்களுடைய அன்பு சகோதரன். இந்த கொங்கு மண்ணிலே பிறந்து மக்கள் தொண்டராக மக்களுக்காகவே நான் என்று கடந்த 10 ஆண்டுகளாக சின்னமான தேசியத்தின் சின்னமான தெய்வீகத்தின் சின்னமான தாமரை சின்னத்திலே வாக்குகளை கேட்பதற்காக தனது வேட்புமனுவை தாக்கல் செய்வதற்காக கோவை மாவட்ட ஆட்சித்தலைவர் இதன் நோக்கி சென்று கொண்டிருக்கின்றார். பெரியவர்களே, தாய்மார்களே,